Hey guys, Thomas here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm showing you a 2023 22L Bennington swingback. This is a Pontoon with black paneling. You see it's equipped with nav lights and docking lights up on the bow. Beautiful boat, L series 22L swingback. This boat is going to be rigged with a Yamaha 150. Again, it's a Pontoon. Has the curved ladder, which in my opinion is the easiest ladder to get on and off the boat with while in the water. Beautiful boat. Has a diamond pressed upholstery. Swingback flips forwards and backwards. Plenty of storage underneath it. This one has the side-by-side captain's chairs. Comes equipped with a 10-foot bimini top. This boat will have a ski tow bar. Looking at the helm, you'll see the Simrad Go 7, Rockford Fosgate stereo, all your rocker switches for all your other applications. It does have RGB lights in the speakers and the cup holders. Nice diamond press inlaid with portable cup holders. Guys, for more information, please visit MarineMax of Greenville or give us a call. Thank you and have a great day.